What's up, guys? Welcome back to Boost Brothers Garage.
I'm back, bitches.
Today, we are going to be installing this
Oh, shitballs.
Today, we're going to be installing this PSDesigns Velocity Stack kit on our buddy's E46 M3.
And Mike looks really good in the snapback.
And Zach wore sweats.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Alright, so this kit from PSDesigns includes 6 of these Velocity Stacks, and we're going to be replacing this entire intake box, plenum thing, whatever you want to call it. But first, I want to get a sound clip of the car before, so we can get one after and see how big of a difference there is in induction noise. Brandon, start it up.
He said induction. Give him some revs.
I mean, really, it already sounds pretty good with that K&N cold air intake, but it's about to sound a lot better. Internet, this is Brandon. Brandon, Internet.
Hi, Internet.
This is Brandon's car. So the first thing we did, we went ahead and used the tuning cable that we got, and we pulled all the DME information onto the laptop so we can get that sent off for the custom tune. The next thing we're gonna do is install this sweet carbon fiber ram air scoop. We drilled a couple holes in the carbon here per the instructions, as well as the radiator support. We're gonna drop this thing in, throw a couple self-tappers in. Brandon, you wanna hold this back for me? That's it. Easy install. It'll wipe some of the fingerprints off here. Brandon, close the hood. Let's see what it looks like behind the grills. Yeah, you can see it in there. These grills are going to get replaced with, what are you going to do, black ones?
Black.
Matte black. So, I don't know that the rest of the install is going to be this quick and easy, but this was a good start. Internet, Jackie. Jackie, Internet.
Hey.
We got the factory intake plenum off. This thing is massive. It's basically the size of her. It's about 1/18 the size of me. But anyway, let's take a look at the engine bay, see where we're at. So as you can see, that massive intake plenum is gone. We've got a clear view at all of our ITBs here. There were a number of vacuum lines, there was a wiring harness, the oil dipstick, and a few other odds and ends. But Pete with PSDesigns did a good job on these instructions here, so we were able to just follow along with those. And now we get to start the actual installation process, which should be the fun part. We are now installing this carbon fiber heat shield with the
Sensor Madougal.
relocated is the word I was looking for, the relocated IAT. This thing looks sweet.
Is there any of that syrup?
No. You got those little bird lips.
Who wants a mustache ride?
I do. I want
I'm sorry, these boys get that syrup in them. They get all antsy and they're fancy.
You want to give us an update, Brandon and Zach?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. I have no
Jackie's little head back there.
Oh, hello.
All right, so
Yeah, let him.
Mike did this. Basically, he told me not to help. Plus, I was on Facebook. But so we put on the carbon, I guess, I don't know.
heat shield.
Heat shield, pretty piece.
Heat shield.
And then we did the ducting to the intake. All right, so that's going to feed the ITBs. So we mounted the catch can over here. And finally, we did the IAT sensor, which is underneath of the heat shield, and you guys can't see, but Mike did some fancy wiring, and it's all tucked in right here. So now we're on to throwing on the ITBs themselves and the filters, and then we'll get this thing started up and see what it sounds like.
Throwing on the velocity stacks. The ITBs are already on.
Oh yeah, my bad. I said that like 19 times. That's what these
Jackie, you're
cars
better
are
at stuff like that. How do the stacks? Are they lining up good?
Oh, keep going on. Is that as far as it goes?
Yeah.
Are they made to stick out a little bit?
Yeah, they're lined up pretty well.
Yeah, the backs line up.
This one in
got
front
it.
might be twisted a little bit this way.
Yeah.
Which way you want it?
Yeah, perfect.
All right, boys and girls, time to start this bitch up.
Holy fuck. Please back this out real quick.
Wait. Let me move my
No,
truck.
we can't. Yeah, the question.
I have to hear this drive by.
This thing is bananas.
Pete, you did a good job, buddy.
All right, guys, so that is the PSDesigns Velocity Stacks for the E46.
Which are amazing. If you have an E46, go buy them.
Yeah.
Or an E92, because he also makes them for that.
Yeah, Pete, thank you so much for turning us on to these things. Really fantastic kit. We still got to throw the filters on, but we were too excited not to drive it. So
And I just drove it. It sounds just as good from the driver's seat as it does outside too. So
yeah.
Beautiful.
So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
see you.
See ya.
I haven't even had anything to drink yet today. Zach has. Zach had residual drunkenness from last night, and he just had one drink, and he's hammered again.
True story.
We're recording.
Hey, quiet on the set.
Quiet on set!
And take 3.
Action!